Human effort is called ascending force. That ascending force meets descending force, and that is called kripa, blessings, grace. Grace plays a great part in our lives. And grace is divided into 4 sections. Grace of God is of course great. Grace of teacher also counts a lot. Great of the scripture that you study. But if you do not have the grace of self, these 3 graces do not work. My master told me that I have been repeatedly teaching you, and you don't assimilate it. You have my grace, you have grace of God, you have grace of other Swamis, and you have grace of scriptures. You lack your own grace. And I did not understand what it was. So he made me blindfolded, gave me a bowl, and started pouring milk in it. And my finger was in the milk pot which he was holding, and he was pouring. He said, "Is there any mistake in it, in pouring the milk? I am doing my job with all my love and effort. I am pouring this milk in your bowl. Up to this time, I have poured at least 2 liters. Will you please open your eyes?" I was, you see, unveiled. There I see there was nothing in the bowl because there was a hole in it. So he said, "There is a hole in your head. Anything I teach, that drains." What does it mean? There is a hole in your heads. Okay, will you please patch it up? Material I will give you, I will tell you the way. The way is just to learn to do things with full attention from morning till evening. Anything you do. This way you will be training your mind